Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Nissan Juke of 2012. This vehicle has a problem with transmission according to the owner statement. So I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. Another thing is that they have tried to repair this transmission for several times. So I'm going to show you how to repair or how to solve this kind of problem. Manual selection, Japan, then is Juke. Where's Juke? Where's Juke? Come on, Juke. Yes, F15 of 2012. Yes, we are going straight to the transmission. TCM, okay. So read the fault code. Here we are, P0706 deep stroke M range, then P173B, which is gear 1 incorrect ratio, then P17B8, which is high clutch solenoid, and PS solenoid, which is P17BB. So here the main fault code are two. Number one is P173B. Nissan Juke. This is the main fault code. According to this fault code, gear 1 incorrect ratio, which is the linear pressure calculation fault within the transmission control system. So there is a problem with pressure. Symptoms are transmission entering into self mode, which is okay, or limb mode, harsh or delay, erratic shifting behavior, reduced overall engine power, acceleration response, and check engine on the dashboard. Those are things that this gearbox is doing right now. So according to that fault code, there is a problem with the pressure, can be the pump, converter. There is a lot of things that can make that fault code to happen, even wear and tear. Another code is P17BE, which is high clutch solenoid. So according to this solenoid, P17B8, Nissan Juke. This is the second fault code. It indicates that there is an open circuit between the solenoids, according to the information here. So we are going to the causes and symptoms. Slow acceleration, which is okay. We have internal component failure. So I need to clear the fault code. Let me clear. So right now we don't have any fault code on the system. After that, I'm going to try to live data this vehicle. See, we have one fault code. Then we have two fault code on live data. So according to live data, we have two fault code: lubrication, then torque conversion ratio. See, so I'm going to put this vehicle on neutral. When you put this vehicle on neutral, everything seems okay. When you put this vehicle on drive, you see there is a fault code on torque conversion ratio. So this is the vehicle I'm talking about, and this is the engine I'm talking about. So I'm going to disconnect the battery first. So the first step is to remove sump and to drain oil. That one will give us the hint where the problem is. This is the sump is out. I'm going to remove the strainer, but before, we have small particles of iron. Let me remove the strainer like that. So this is the strainer. See the oil level is low. Let me show you. See, So the problem was the carelessness. Look, the iron particles. In short, don't repair this gear, replace with a new one. Let me show you. Even we have wear and tear of the chain. See? So whenever you see that 2 cords, replace your transmission. Don't repair the Nissan CVT transmission. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.